In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to erase in Bluebeam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove unwanted markups or content quickly and cleanly while avoiding accidental changes to the parts of the PDF you want to keep. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. If you're already working in Revu, use the File menu to browse to the document you want to edit. It's a good idea to save a copy before you start, especially if you're cleaning up a final set of drawings or a shared file. That way, you can always go back to the original if needed. Next, select the Erase tool from the Markup toolbar, or simply press the E key on your keyboard. The Markup toolbar is typically docked along the top. If you don't see it, make sure the Markups interface is visible so the tool is accessible. When the Erase tool is active, your cursor will change, letting you know you're in erase mode and ready to work. Now click on the markup or the area you want to remove. If you're targeting a specific markup, like a text note, a cloud, or a callout, click directly on it to select it. If you're removing a portion of a markup or a small area, zoom in for precision and click carefully so you only affect what you intend. You can also click and drag to select multiple items if several markups need to go at once. If you're working on a dense drawing, panning and zooming as you go will help you keep control and avoid erasing the wrong item. To finish, press delete or confirm the action when prompted. Some items disappear immediately with delete, while others may ask you to confirm before they're removed. If you change your mind or erase something by mistake, press Ctrl+Z to undo right away. Continue selecting and deleting until your page looks the way you want. When you're done, save your file to lock in the changes, or use Save As to preserve both a cleaned version and your original. A few quick tips as you practice. Keep an eye on your selection highlights so you always know what's about to be erased. Zoom in for detailed areas like dimensions or overlapping notes, and take advantage of undo to work confidently. With these basics, the Erase tool in Bluebeam Revu becomes a fast, reliable way to tidy up your PDFs and keep your markups clear and professional.